Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well.
Welcome to Home Building Renovation Show in Harrogate. My name's James, this is Lorna. We work for Rita by Seeker. We're here representing all of our liquid and PVC single ply waterproofing systems. So have a good show everyone.
Thank you.
Later.
So we actually visited the home renovation show which was held at Harrogate few days back. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you all few highlights from this show. Do watch it till the end. You'll definitely get some bright ideas as to how to renovate your house in the most comfortable and cost-effective methods. It was probably a 3-day show and they actually hosted it at a hall in Harrogate. So we parked our car nearby and then we walked towards the hall. And here in this hall you get to see everything related to house. So people who are into this business, they actually displayed their products here. So you will get an idea as to what kind of products are there in the market and how to go about any kind of extension. And also if you're looking to buy something like, this particular bathtub, jacuzzi, so you have these kind of models being displayed in the show. So this one is now 7,995 only. So if you really love it, you can go for this type. So like this, you have so many other things which are related to house, which I'll be taking you around. A lot of people are actually upgrading their older bathrooms. So you get to see a lot of shower cubicles here in this show. Now this particular model also was good, semicircular one. It occupies very less space. So here you get to see another lengthy jacuzzi, luxury hot water tub. So there are people here in UK who actually have spacious homes and who have enough money to plan this kind of luxury stuff. So definitely they can go for one. Now let's check out this Philippine model of house extension which is made with bamboo and wood. It looks very pretty. It's 3x3 size. You can easily plan it behind the house or even in the garden. You don't need planning permission for this. Now let's check out another house extension which is again made completely with wood. Even though it's made with wood, it looks very strong actually. This is quite spacious compared to the other one. Could be slightly bigger than the 3x3 size. And also they managed to give good height to this particular extension. And what he said is it will cost you around £9,500 to plan this kind of extension. Now here again you have some more models of double glazed windows and doors. I've seen in some of the old houses actually they don't have proper windows, especially in countries like this where you have longer winters. It's very important to have double and nowadays people are going for triple glazed windows as well. So a lot of people are coming out to check these kind of windows and upgrade their houses. These are some of the eco-friendly exhaust systems which they are providing here. If at all you're planning a new room and also planning a new exhaust and everything, yeah, you can check them out, because mostly when you buy a property everything is included. If at all it's a very old one and if you want to upgrade them, then yeah, you'll get ideas from here. And here you have some triple glazing windows and doors, extra protection and extra care. You also have people here who can actually set up home theater in your houses. So if you're looking for one, then definitely you can go for it.
Yeah.
It just goes together like Lego. So
Yeah.
you have corners and straights. These straights are actually
Oh yeah, he's massive.
2.4 meters in length, and you put it together like Lego, and then fill the core with concrete, which is great. Yeah.
So this is like an installation.
Sorry.
This will be like an installation.
Oh yes, yes, very much so. Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
This is one plumbing and heating services company, which is Luxor Heating. So you have different people coming down and displaying their products here, as I told you. And this is another model here of doors and windows. These massage chairs really look cool. They actually offered a £10 massage service for 15 minutes, but we were running out of time, so I couldn't just sit down and relax for 15 minutes just like that. So just sat in the chair for a few minutes. It was very comfortable. Here they're actually selling the shower heads with onion stones. They're really good to remove the hardness of water. So even we bought one. Have to try it.
If you're going to do it in a proper space, one thing that you want to consider is making sure that the space works well in both situations. So open plan or closed off space. So what's important and what we do in our projects is this door has to
Now towards this corner, you'll get to see some kitchen worktops, wash basins, and also different models of taps used. These compact cooking systems, which include the gas and also oven at the bottom, they look very attractive. Now these are some of the double sliding patio doors. We have seen them in some of new build properties. And here to this particular corner, they actually displayed some old tables. You can call them dining tables. It looks like one from the Last Supper. They're too big actually. I'm not quite too sure because in today's modern houses we hardly have any space to plan even a small dining table. So these kind of massive tables probably people do plan in their country properties or in their farmhouses. But they were looking stunning actually. It's completely mind-blowing to see something like this. And here they're actually selling some kitchen utensils, which are non-stick pans. So she was kind of like giving a demo of different types of non-stick cookware. It was good to watch.
3, 2, 1.
As you can see, they have displayed a lot of items which include beds and also these lights and stuff. These items you normally get in other stores as well, but you can have an idea. Now here I really like this small coffee table. It looked so pretty with that wooden carvings and a small glass on top of it. It doesn't occupy much space actually. This was all about the house renovation show. We thoroughly enjoyed going around and we actually got a lot of ideas from this particular show. I hope you had great time watching this video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.
You've seen
Wait.
it?
Yeah.
I've done a lot of
You're doing some Wilson homes and
Yeah.
Red Roll.
Red Rooms,
Yeah, that's in it. Very good.
At least 6 times.